everyone, this is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So today, guess what? We're going to make a quiche because although it's a food that needs an oven, I think it has everything to do with summer. I don't know, maybe because you can have it cold and then you can have it with a side of a very nice salad with a nice vinaigrette sauce, which I haven't made by the way, but you get the point. And it's going to be zucchini, sun-dried tomatoes and onions quiche, but you can use any vegetable of your preference, just like we do it every time on this channel because that's the purpose of it. And I have a surprise for you. It's gluten-free because I love you. That's why. So let's dig into the recipe. First, we're going to make the filling because we need it to cool down completely before we assemble the quiche. And we start by sauteing onions in water or oil, doesn't matter. When they get a little bit of color, you add the zucchini, finely sliced. Now, for the vegetables, I have a few tips for you. If you're using vegetables that contain a lot of water, such as zucchini or tomatoes, you need to saute them very well so they release all the water. Because if it doesn't happen, they're going to be too moist, and then your quiche is going to be too moist. So not good. And then we add the garlic. Stir for 40 seconds. And then sun-dried tomatoes. And then you add the vegan cream. Now, what kind of vegan cream I have added? I made my own because that's what I always do. I get the soaked cashews and then I blend it with plant-based milk, usually unsweetened soy milk, and that's it. I mean, that's my preference. I absolutely love these vegan cream because it's neutral in taste. It's delicious and rich, and I know exactly where it came from, which is from my kitchen. Now you can add or not nutritional yeast. For this specific quiche here, I have added, and before I have not. So either way is delicious. It's not mandatory, the nutritional yeast. So if you want to omit or if you don't have it in your house, first of all, get my recipe here. But if you're not in the mood for making, just leave it out because it's delicious without it. Salt, pepper, and oregano or any herb of your preference. And 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to firm everything up. And now you can turn it off and set it aside to cool down. Now we're going to go ahead and prepare the crust, which is like super duper easy. And we just blend the cooked chickpeas. They have to be very dry, drained and dried, preferably pet dried, with a little bit of oil, any oil of your preference. And then you blend it until it becomes a firm dough. So now you spread the crust all over a mold. Mine here has a removable bottom and is 25 centimeters. I think it's 9 inch. I will write it down below in the screen. But if you don't have a removable bottom mold, you can make it in a plate or something. I mean, it's your preference. So when it's completely distributed equally, make it beautiful. Now you poke holes in it with a fork. And now that is very important. It has to go to the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes because this will guarantee that your crust is going to be super extra crunchy and with that feel and taste of pastry dough. Delicious and just so similar it's scary.
Honey, say goodbye to this honey, 'cause I've had enough of you now. Baby, say goodbye to this baby, 'cause I've had enough of you now. So long, farewell, farewell, I'll be heading out on my own. This is the end of what we had, but don't worry baby, I don't feel bad. Honey, say goodbye to this honey, 'cause I've had enough of you.
So now it goes to your oven for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is it. And then when you remove it from the oven, you wait like 5 to 10 minutes before you cut it, and then you just enjoy it.
Say goodbye to this honey, 'cause I've had enough of you now. Baby.
So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I absolutely love this quiche. I am addicted to it, and I want to know, what is your favorite kind of quiche? Mine is this one. No, I'm lying. Mine is always the latest one that I make. I am that easy to please when it comes to quiche because I love all of them. And this is a very nice variation for you guys. But if you don't have those vegetables laying around in your fridge, you just use any. I mean, quiches are good with, I can't think of any vegetables, I think so. But let me know in the comments below what's your favorite. And this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. And don't forget to tag me on Facebook and Instagram if you make it. I love when you guys do that. And I see you next time. Have a fabulous week. And until then, bye.